Honey badger versus python, the ultimate survival battle. In the wild landscapes of Africa, survival is a daily challenge. Every predator must hunt, defend itself, and avoid becoming prey. Among the continent's toughest animals is the fearless honey badger, small in size but famous for its determination and courage. Hidden nearby, another powerful hunter waits in silence. The African rock python relies on patience rather than speed. Perfectly camouflaged, it can remain motionless for hours before striking with incredible force. The honey badger follows an unfamiliar scent through the grass. Its powerful nose searches for food, while sharp claws are ready to dig or defend. Unaware of the exact danger ahead, it moves cautiously through the bush. The python lies coiled beneath thick vegetation. Every muscle is tense, every movement carefully controlled. It waits for the perfect moment to launch its surprise attack. As the distance closes, tension fills the air. Neither animal wants to become the loser in this encounter. In the African wilderness, hesitation can mean death. Without warning, the python strikes. Its powerful body wraps around the honey badger in an attempt to restrain it. The battle begins in an explosion of dust and movement. The honey badger refuses to surrender. It twists, claws, and bites with relentless determination. Thick skin and remarkable toughness help it resist the snake's crushing coils. The python tightens its grip, using powerful muscles to exhaust its opponent. But the honey badger continues searching for an opening, refusing to stop fighting. With a sudden burst of strength, the honey badger bites toward the python's head and neck. The snake loosens its grip for a brief moment, creating a chance to escape. The python quickly strikes again, but the agile honey badger dodges and counters. Dust fills the air as both animals battle for survival. Now circling carefully, the honey badger watches every movement. The python remains dangerous, but both animals are beginning to tire after the intense struggle. The honey badger lunges once more, forcing the python to defend itself instead of attacking. Every second of the fight drains precious energy from both rivals. The python thrashes across the dry grass, trying to break free from the confrontation. Neither predator has gained a decisive advantage. Realizing the fight is becoming too costly, the python slowly retreats into the safety of dense vegetation. The honey badger remains alert, watching until the snake disappears. Victorious simply by surviving, the honey badger continues its journey across the savanna. In nature, avoiding serious injury can be as important as winning a fight. The African wilderness is filled with extraordinary encounters where strength, patience, and determination are constantly tested. While honey badgers and African rock pythons can cross paths, most wild animals avoid unnecessary battles whenever possible. Every day, survival belongs to those that make the smartest decisions, not always the strongest. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to click on the red icon to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.